Hey, hello everyone, Bruno here. And today I am not going to talk about code. I am going to talk about an extension for Visual Studio that really helped me a lot these days. So let me go to Visual Studio and let me set up a little the context. This is a repo. You probably know the idea. We have a lot of code here, but the code here is literally inside this source folder where we have everything. This is our solution. So when I have this in my local mode, this is what I have. I have a main folder which is going to have everything for the repo, and then I need to go to the here the source folder, and here is my content. When I open this in Visual Studio, this is what I have. I have here my complete set of folders, and I have solutions folders to organize the parts internally. So I have here my projects for Aspire, my project for eShop, and then I have more. But I'm missing the root folder, the top folder here. And that's when this amazing File Explorer extension from Mads really help. Basically, install this, and once you install this, it's going to open the solution that you want here. So I'm going to open here the main solution, and what I am going to have here is this folder, this one here, that is going to have the root folder where I can see later my source folder, but then I'm going to have access here to all of the other files. So in example, if I need to edit my markdown for a README file for the GitHub, is going to be directly here. Super awesome and super fast. The same with security. I have also my Azure app deployment file, my vSphere files and more, and everything is here. And by the way, if you have files that are defined as part of the git ignore and more, they're going to be marked here as grayed down. And as you can see, it's also recognized a lot of different type of folders and more, a lot of type of files and more. And if I open the README, there it is, the README, and I have also here the preview. And at the same time, what I can do from here is I have the option to copy the path of the file, or even open the file in File Explorer, opening code, or in the default program. So I used to have and do all of my edits in Visual Studio Code, and then sync here, and I do the commits here from Visual Studio because I really like the suggestion from Copilot here. But now I have everything in one place, and once again, give it a try. Go for extension, go for File Explorer, add the 5 stars there. I'm guessing that everybody's going to do the 5 stars because it's a super useful one. So hey, super fast today. Remember, as usual, I appreciate the likes. Please subscribe, and see you next one. Goodbye.